In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download emails from Gmail. It's a straightforward process and a useful skill to have, especially if you need to save important messages for offline use or record keeping. Let's walk through the steps together so you can do this with ease. First up, you'll need to access your Gmail account. So go ahead and open your preferred web browser and log into your Gmail. Once you're in, navigate to your inbox, which is typically the first place you'll land after signing in. Now that you're in your inbox, the next step is to select the specific email you want to download. So, go ahead and browse through your emails until you find the one you're looking to save. Once you've identified and selected your desired email, take a look at the top right corner of the email window. You should notice 3 vertical dots. This icon is a menu that provides additional options for handling your email. Click on these dots. When you do, a list of options appears, and among them, you'll find one that says, Download Message. This is the key to saving your email to your device, so select this option. Once you click on Download Message, your email will begin downloading to your computer. It typically saves as an .eml file, which is a standard format compatible with most email clients, including Outlook and Thunderbird. This file contains all of the original email's content, so you'll have everything you need saved securely on your device. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded your email. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to keep in mind. If you plan to access these saved emails using different email clients or share them with someone else, it's good to know that .eml files are widely compatible. However, if you encounter compatibility issues, various free tools are available online to convert .eml files to other formats like .pdf or .txt. Downloading important emails can be incredibly useful, particularly for record keeping or when you need access offline. Just ensure that you store these files in a safe and secure location on your device to prevent any potential loss of data. Also, remember that regularly updating your backups is a good practice for maintaining data security. And that's all there is to downloading your emails from Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, feel free to check out some of our other videos for more tips and tricks. Have a great day, and see you next time.